Book 35W1, The Magic Key, the Steam Digester. Kipper, Biff, Chip, and Floppy were watching a pot of stew simmer on the kitchen stove. Suddenly, the magic key on the counter began to glow bright green with sparkling magical light. The magic carried the children back to 1679, landing in London, England. In a workshop filled with glass flasks and copper furnaces, they met French physicist Denis Papin. Denis explained the physics of boiling water. Under normal air pressure, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, Denis said. If we seal the steam inside, pressure rises, raising the boiling point much higher. Denis unveiled his new invention, the steam digester. Made of thick cast metal with a heavy lid sealed tightly by iron screw clamps, it trapped high-pressure steam inside. Biff noticed a brass valve on the lid held down by a lever and a sliding lead weight. High steam pressure can burst metal, Denis explained. The safety valve lifts automatically to release excess steam safely. Denis placed tough meats and hard marrow bones inside and sealed the lid over hot coals. In just 20 minutes, the superheated steam softened the hard bones into rich broth and tender jelly. In 1682, Denis demonstrated his invention to the Royal Society in London, cooking a grand philosophical feast of savoury meats and jellies for famous scientists. Denis showed Chip how expanding steam could push a metal piston inside a cylinder. Trapping steam not only cooks food quickly, Denis smiled, it can power future mechanical engines. To test the digester under high heat, Denis stoked the furnace. Roaring steam hissed through the safety vent, but Floppy wagged his tail and accidentally knocked an extra iron weight onto the safety lever. Pinning it shut, with the safety valve pinned down, internal pressure soared dangerously. The metal vessel shuddered on the furnace, whistling loudly as jets of white steam burst across the workshop. Denis grabbed iron tongs to free the jammed valve as the room filled with blinding steam. In the thrilling chaos, Kipper pulled the glowing magic key from his pocket, wrapping the children in a sparkling green shield. In a flash of green light, the children and Floppy landed safely back in their warm kitchen. Denis Papin invented the pressure cooker and the safety valve that launched the steam age. Biff cheered.